Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take your creativity to the next level with a brand new 3D printer? Whether you're a beginner, a seasoned pro, or someone looking for the best deal, we got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025 that cater to every budget and need. So let's dive right in. And of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing 3D printers. Starting our list at number 5 is the Anycubic Photon Mono 2. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 3D printer that still delivers impressive results, this is the one to beat. Priced affordably, it's perfect for beginners or hobbyists who want to experiment with resin printing without breaking the bank. Powered by DLP 3D technology, the Photon D2 uses thousands of mirrors to precisely concentrate light, minimizing distortion for superior print quality compared to LCD machines of the same resolution. The Photon D2 boasts a double light uniformity algorithm, ensuring over 92% light uniformity and enhanced anti-aliasing for crisp, detailed prints. Your miniatures and intricate designs will come to life with stunning clarity. Equipped with a DLP projector that lasts up to 20,000 hours, 10x more than traditional LCD printer screens, this machine delivers unparalleled durability. Plus, with ultra-low power consumption of just 15 W, you'll save significantly on energy costs. Unlike conventional 3D printers, the Photon D2 generates minimal heat, eliminating the need for loud fans. Enjoy a peaceful printing experience with noise levels as low as 35 dB, barely noticeable, even in quiet spaces. With a 62% increase in printing volume over its predecessor, the Photon D2 offers a generous build space of 5.1 foot x 2.9 x 6.5, perfect for bigger, more ambitious projects. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike, the Anycubic Photon D2 delivers on performance, precision, and longevity. Whether you're creating detailed models or functional parts, this 3D printer is your ticket to superior results. At number 4, we have the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, your ultimate value for money option. Creality has taken the Ender series to new heights with this updated version, making it a favorite among hobbyists and even small business owners. Designed to make 3D printing more efficient and accessible, this upgraded machine delivers faster print speeds, improved extrusion, and high-quality results, whether you're a hobbyist or a pro. Experience a massive boost in printing efficiency with speeds up to 250 millimeters per second and 2500 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, saving up to 73% of your time without sacrificing print quality. Faster prints mean quicker project completion. The Sprite dual-gear direct extruder offers superior filament control with smooth feeding and reliable extrusion. Whether you're printing with PLA, TPU, or PETG, the lightweight yet powerful extruder ensures top-notch results with no slipping. With over 500,000 units shipped, it's a trusted and proven design. With the built-in CR touch sensor for automatic bed leveling and a strain sensor for Z-offset adjustments, you can say goodbye to manual adjustments and enjoy worry-free printing from start to finish. The dual Z-axis lead screws minimize wobble, ensuring higher accuracy and stability during printing. Paired with robust 8mm Y-axis linear shafts, this machine delivers precise, smooth prints time after time. The Ender 3v3 SE is known for its reliability and customization options. With its easy-to-assemble design, durable construction, and versatility in handling a wide range of filaments, this printer gives you professional-level prints at a fraction of the cost. Next up at number 3 is the Prusa MK4S, a premium option for those who want nothing but the best. Known for their precision engineering and reliability, Prusa continues to dominate the high-end market. The MK4S offers professional-grade prints with minimal hassle. It's loaded with features like an upgraded extruder, faster print speeds, and the latest firmware, making it ideal for serious 3D printing enthusiasts and professionals. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or new to the world of 3D printing, this printer provides an easy-to-assemble and highly reliable experience. The 4 Malawian Quatches is built for speed, thanks to input shaper support, which ensures fast yet precise printing without sacrificing print quality. It combines the trusted reliability of previous models with cutting-edge performance enhancements. Say goodbye to manual adjustments. The load cell sensor ensures flawless first layers by automatically calibrating the bed. No tinkering required. The form allowing quatches comes as a DIY kit, perfect for those who love hands-on projects. If you prefer a plug-and-play experience, Prusa also offers a fully assembled option. Whichever route you take, building or using this printer is straightforward and enjoyable. Equipped with the innovative Nextruder, the form allowing quatches provides smooth, efficient printing with features like quick swap nozzles, customizable UI, and a one-click printing option for ease of use. Manage your prints remotely and enjoy a streamlined printing experience with the MK4's 32-bit platform. Whether you're near the machine or far away, controlling and monitoring your prints is a breeze. The original Prusa form allowing quatches is a versatile, fast, and reliable 3D printer that's perfect for hobbyists, makers, and professionals alike. Taking the runner-up spot is the Anycubic Cobra 3 combo. This printer is all about versatility and innovation, offering a balance between features, performance, and price that's hard to beat. Whether you're a beginner or a 3D printing expert, this printer offers a powerful, efficient, and versatile experience. With the Anycubic ACE Pro, the Cobra 3 combo allows you to print in up to 4 colors, with support for up to 8 colors coming soon via the Anycubic Color Engine Hub. Ideal for creating personalized, vibrant, and intricate designs, this feature opens a world of possibilities for your 3D prints. The ACE Pro system integrates intelligent storage features like nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, and a drying system to keep your filament moisture-free. The RFID sync function ensures your printer always knows the correct filament type, offering a smooth and successful printing experience. The Cobra 3 combo delivers an impressive print speed of up to 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, 12 times faster than regular FDM printers. Achieve smooth, high-quality prints while saving time and boosting productivity. Built with accelerometer G sensors, the printer automatically detects and adjusts for vibrations to prevent ringing issues, ensuring that every print comes out smooth and free of imperfections. Collaborating with Pantone, the Cobra 3 combo uses exclusive Pantone-certified color filaments. This partnership lets you print vivid, accurate colors, transforming your creative ideas into stunning, multicolor designs. It's perfect for creators who want more flexibility and faster results. Want to learn more? You'll find it linked in the description. And finally, our top pick for the best 3D printer of 2025 is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. This powerhouse offers the perfect blend of performance, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're crafting intricate prototypes or large-scale models, this printer ensures efficiency without sacrificing quality. With a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and an impressive acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, the Adventurer 5M Pro significantly reduces print times, allowing your designs to come to life faster. Plus, the nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The Core XY structure and all-metal frame ensures stable high-speed printing, maintaining quality even at faster speeds. With multiple nozzle sizes, you can adjust for precision or speed, creating detailed prints with flawless accuracy. Forget manual adjustments. This printer features pressure-sensing technology for auto bed leveling, ensuring perfect first layers with no need for Z-axis calibration or print rafts. Plus, the dual-sided PI platform makes model removal quick and easy without tools. The Adventurer 5M Pro is ready to print in just 10 minutes out of the box. Manage your projects remotely with the Flash Maker mobile app, which offers real-time monitoring, progress tracking, and parameter adjustments. Additional smart features like auto shutdown, resume printing, and filament detection streamline your workflow. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro brings together speed, precision, and user-friendly features to offer an unparalleled 3D printing experience. If you're looking for the best overall experience in 3D printing, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro is the printer you've been waiting for. Don't forget to check out the link below for more details. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best 3D printers in 2025. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or high-end performance, there's a 3D printer on this list for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and click the links in the description for the latest prices and deals on all the printers we featured today.